Hi everyone, hope you're well. Let's talk about some of the functions of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is involved with energy metabolism, metabolism of glucose, mitochondrial metabolism of glucose, and Krebs cycle activity. So essentially what this is doing is working with the energetic pathways such as glycolysis and electron transport chain to activate and regulate energy levels such as via ATP metabolism. Now, it's very useful for people with fatigue states with this energy pathway. I see vitamin B1 as the spark plug of the vitamins, where it activates a lot of these processes. It's also involved in all immune system activation, cell signaling, so cell-to-cell communication. It's involved with the metabolism of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine and involved with nerve function and structure. So if we couple this all together, it's involved with a lot more than what we're just talking about today. But I want you to start imagining that with this brief on vitamin B1, that it's the spark plug. It allows systems to start up and running, thinking of it as the match or the spark plug in a car. And if you're looking at the different areas of energy metabolism, such as what we just talked about with metabolism of glucose and just general overall metabolism and activation of the Krebs cycle and regulation, along with vitamins B2 and B3, of course, and B6 with glycolysis. This is an area of great interest because if you activate different pathways, particularly energy metabolism, we're kick-starting a lot of systems where people really feel tired, weak and fatigued. And it's often forgotten, vitamin B1 in these areas. And that's why I wanted to sort of bring a bit of attention to it today. Just to sort of reignite or spark an interest in vitamin B1. It's also essential for nerve conduction and excitability of nerves. It works along with zinc for that cell-to-cell communication, but also for that synaptic flow, the signaling across with calcium too, where it allows the signal to get across the synapse a lot more simpler and easier, if I can explain it that way or say it that way. And that's what I find interesting as well, is again, it's often forgotten in memory and cognitive states. One of the main classical deficiency signs is Wernicke's, and that's relating to this sort of brain fog, fatigue state of the mind. And I find it very interesting that it's very useful in these areas. And we're learning a lot more and more about vitamin B1. Cell membrane dynamics is another area of interest where, along again with zinc, magnesium, B6 and other vitamins, it allows for that greater cell membrane dynamic, cell-to-cell communication and just overall flow of information. It's very useful in these areas. And the dosage range is hard to talk about because it's individually based, but you can go, most people, 5, 10, 15, 20 milligrams in some cases per day. But again, it depends on the individual health of the person in front of you. So it's quite interesting. And let's think about vitamin B1 in these states. It's very interesting, and always talk to a health professional.